Today's Thursday, August 7th. This is the 1976 Cadillac in-dash climate control unit. This is a full level 10 restoration for my friend Robert in Illinois. This is video number 3 out of a 3 video set showing the fully assembled final embodiment. It's been tested, calibrated, and ready for delivery. Okay, as depicted in the predecessor videos, everything was completely disassembled. The primary circuit board was replaced. A precision lapped replacement rotary manifold valve was replaced in the unit. The potentiometer for the thermostat control was replaced, and of course all the linkages lubricated, reassembled, and the unit calibrated. So this will be going out to my friend Robert as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is Eldorado George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for Cadillac, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including all the air conditioning components, such as the in-dash climate control head, as well as the corresponding air conditioning programmer unit that this unit works in tandem with, meaning one does not work without the other. Generally, in 70% of the instances, when one fails, the other fails, and there is cross-contamination that occurs between the shared vacuum circuit and the shared electrical continuity, so it's always best to do the AC programmer and the in-dash climate control head at the same time. Okay, this is Eldorado George in Florida. This is how the units come in generally. Very nasty, as we can see. Okay, this unit had severe arcing and corrosion. Robert's did not have any corrosion, but did have arcing on the board, which is indicative of an electrical continuity problem. Okay, so the unit has been fully restored, reassembled, tested, calibrated, and is now ready for delivery. This is Eldorado George in Florida. Today is Thursday, August 6th. Thank you very kindly.